Hi, and welcome to DCS Virtual's Intro to Psychology course introduction video. In this course, it is the goal that students will be learning foundations about psychology, how behavior works and happens in the mental process. So through this video, we'll give a guided tour of what this course will entail and how materials and pacing will happen. So here is an overview of the Schoology course with introduction, help, pages, dictionary, and the 6 modules that you will be going through for this course. Let's start with the introduction. In the introduction course or section, we'll give a foundation of who the teacher is, the instructor that will be grading all assignments, and who will be there to help and assist and support the students as you go through. A course description, understanding what the goal of this course is, and then how to get started. Everything that is needed for this course is in the modules. All materials and all resources are there and available, so nothing extra will be needed. This is a self-paced course, meaning that you will be able to complete as you go, but know that all assignments will need to be done by the end of the semester and the end of the 9 weeks. And so due dates have been assigned as a way to help guide your progress and your efforts forward. There's course policies with students with disabilities, honesty statements, and then how to do digital citizenship in our new ages of learning through virtual online courses. Next is a help section will be of great interest to you as a way to show and give you resources that are needed to help you through the course. What the different types are and how to use Schoology, ways to get in touch with technology support for both parents, students, Chromebooks, any issues that you might have. There is a link right here for you to use. And if there is anything wrong, please send in any questions or issues so that we can get them fixed as soon as possible. Other resources and supports are down at the bottom with some add-ons with text to read apps, other writing tools and processing that will help with speed and writing what you need, and then other resources for doing research and things like that through the libraries and Info Ohio, which is a database that we have through Dublin City Schools. Next, we will go and then we will look at one of the modules, as they're all going to be very similar in the expectations and how they're laid out. So this course is laid out into 6 modules with 3 being completed each of the 9 weeks as part of this course, with the first 3 being done the first or the third 9 weeks, and then the fourth through the sixth, the second 9 weeks of the semester. So let's look at the first one, psychology, just an intro. There was always going to be an introduction page, which will give an overview of that module of everything that is needed for this section or this unit or module. And so for this one, it is focusing on what is psychology, giving some definitions, and this is almost like the textbook piece that will give some of the basic information on each of the modules and areas that are focused on, with videos included, like in this one. And then it will also include the assignments that will be due by the end of the module. There are multiple places, at least 3 different places that you will be able to find what assignments are and when they're due for each module, as well as the goals and what we are hoping you will be able to do and understand by the end of this and each module. So if we click and look, it will then give you a new topic that you can, for each module, will be slightly different on when assignments will be assigned and how they will be submitted, and the variation of type of assignment will also depend on the module and the topic that is being discussed. But you can see, as we looked in the introduction, both of the assignments are in there for you to complete as you go. And each module will have differing expectations and ways that will be laid out based on the topic and the information in that module. And as you finish the course, there is a survey to help us know ways how it went and how we can improve. But this is an overview. If you have questions, please reach out to your instructor. And have any issues, please use those help links in Schoology to get the help that you need. Thank you and best of luck.